Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing brats or sausages with bell peppers and onions in the Ninja Speedi. This is going to be a fast one. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is what we got. So I got 4 brats here. Now I went to the deli or the meat shop, whatever, and got them. They're $1 a piece. You can get Johnsonville brats or whatever, but I got 4 brats here. So actually we're going to do anything to these. Just take them out, and we're going to set these actually aside over here. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut up our vegetables. So the bell pepper, and do it however you like. You got to cut up a bell pepper. But the thing about this, actually, the Ninja Speedi does a great job cooking it very fast, actually. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut these up. Like this. Make sure to take the white stuff out. So we'll make them all just little pieces like that. And then the onion as well. Go ahead and get nice kind of thick chunks. Take the skin off on the outside. There we go. And then we're just going to cut that right in half. Just like that on both of these. So the outside is off on that one as well. Yay. That's gonna be good. They're so easy. It takes, well, I'll show you how long it takes. Super fast. So that's it. We're just gonna make sure to, take the onions apart and stuff like that. We're gonna mix these in a bowl, put a little bit of seasoning in them. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the bell peppers and onions cut up. Now what I like to do, just to add a little bit of flavor to them, we got the Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so go about a teaspoon or so. Just get a little bit in there. About a teaspoon. Shake it in there. Good to go. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper. It just gives it a nice little flavor. Because the way we're going to cook this, we'll be steaming. And yeah, just a nice flavor. So there's a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I'd say maybe just a teaspoon of each-ish. But, use whatever you like, how much you like. And that's pretty much it for the preparation. Everything's done there. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the Ninja Speedi and get all this cooked up for you. Alright, so now we are at the Ninja. And what we are going to do is open this up. And we're just going to be using the, obviously the drip pan that goes with it, but the roasting rack. Put that in there now. We're going to add 1 cup of water. Just dump it in there. And now from here, before we put anything on, we're actually, on this cook, we're going to actually preheat it. So here, make sure over on the switch that you are on the rapid cook side. We're going to go down to steam and crisp. We're going to set the temperature here at 300 degrees. We'll set it for 11 minutes. And this will take about 5 minutes to preheat. Once it's done preheating, it'll start counting down. And then we'll be right back and put this stuff on. Okay, we're back. It only takes about 3 minutes for it to preheat. As you can see, it's counting down. So we are going to go ahead and open the top up. Whew, got steam. We got our vegetables here. Go ahead and just dump them all in. Yum. And then put the brats are going to go right on top. I'll show you what it looks like here in just a minute. It is not rocket science. This is very easy. And very good. Absolutely. So, take a quick look. That's what we got. Everything's in there. And we're going to go ahead and close the top on this. Let it resume. It's at 10 or is it 10:50? So, we'll check it here in a little bit. Alright guys, so we went the whole 10 minutes and 50 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And that is good. Now, these are going to be done. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. So they're done, but you always want to make sure because you want these at least at 165. So I got my little temperature thermometer here, and yep, we're at 165 actually. But we're not done because we want a little bit of color on them. So we're going to close it up, and this time we're actually going to switch this over to the air fry side, and we're going to leave it at 390 degrees, and we're just going to give it a few minutes. So we're going to go this thing down to 4 minutes. Hit start. In 4 minutes, we'll see you then. Alright, so after those few minutes, and just so we're clear, we're on the air fry function over here as well for the last 4 minutes. So, 4 minutes on the air fryer. Just to give it a little bit of color. Perfect. Yeah, a little bit of brown on top. That's what I like to see. There you go. Actually, everything is looking absolutely amazing. The peppers and the onions. But I'm going to take it out, take it to the cutting board, show you what this looks like, tastes like. See you in a minute. All right, so here is the finished product. Perfectly cooked. Everything is. There's still a little bit of crunch to the bell peppers. They're not overdone. Let's go ahead and take one of these brats off. Chuck them. I'll let them sit for about 7 minutes or so, but yep, they're perfect. Perfectly cooked. They're, those are delicious. So, anyway, don't go anywhere. I'll meet you up top. All right, so we're finished with the cooking. This is what I want to say is that by doing it this way, by steaming crisp, 300 degrees, where we go, right here, the casing on the brat doesn't pop or break, so you still get all of the juices that are in there versus, you know, if you grill them sometimes, you know, but the skin pops and all that juice flows out. So this is a great way to do it. You got your peppers and onions. You know, I don't have to tell you what to do with it. I'm probably gonna make, put it on a bun with some peppers and some other sauce and stuff. But anyway, that's how you do brats or sausage and peppers on the Ninja Speedi. If you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give an awesome comment and a thumbs up. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.